Wealthy Coin is happy to see you all back. Shiba Inu's next bull run will begin on this date. Latest updates about Shiba Inu. Despite the faultless upgrade of the ETH network, the Ethereum-based altcoin Shiba Inu took a blow this week. Consequently, market players search for indicators on the rate of interest rate hikes, which may indicate a commensurate decline in cryptocurrency value. What follows is a video in which we discuss Shiba Inu's next bull run will begin on this date. Latest updates about Shiba Inu. To stay updated on our latest material about Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. We will start the video without further ado. The price of SHIB fell to 0.0000001174 USD in the past trading day, a loss of 10.52% from the previous week and 21.51% from the previous month. In addition, the recent price drop was caused by other metrics as well. In this regard, the market value realized value ratio and the number of daily active addresses both declined. Following these negative indications, a new downward trend is likely in the near future. A 0.25% drop from $0.000083 to $0.0000000000 is what experts predict for Shiba Inu this month. A bearish market edge was also indicated by SHIB's moving average convergence divergence, which portrayed a similar picture. Investors are looking for signals of optimism in the market, which is understandable given the current pessimistic outlook. It has been delivered to the early backers of our preferred 2022 investment. Relying on 100% gains and anticipating more is a major cause for optimism for 2022 and 2023. The Shiba Inu price had a little flirt with a potential bull run beginning in September, but the bulls missed the mark when the dollar strengthened, sending the market crashing back down to earth. Important levels have been lost since the start of the month, with the largest at $0.00009. The Swedish Riksbank has set the tone for the market with a massive 100 BP high. Thus, another leg down seems to be allowed. What this means is that a huge sell-off in cryptocurrency might occur if the Fed follows suit on Wednesday, leading to even greater dollar strength. Markets were startled today after the Swedish Riksbank surprised everyone with a 100 basis point hike, putting the Shiba Inu price at the mercy of central banks. Markets are on edge ahead of Wednesday's Fed policy meeting due to the move, even though Sweden and the SEK are unrelated to cryptocurrencies. A 100 BPS boost from the Fed would have a tremendous impact on the markets. An avalanche sell-off in stocks and cryptocurrency would be set off by massive dollar strength. As a result, the SHIB price can fall by 10% before the Fed meeting if markets get increasingly worried that a 100 BPS rate cut is possible. A breach below 0.00000965 USD could be in the cards depending on Powell's delivery of this message, which could lead to further dollar strength, a reversal of the euro-dollar's parity, and yet another sell-off in stocks and cryptocurrencies. After that, another potential drop-off area opens up, leading to $0.000000655 and 40% further losses for 2022. Another possibility is that things will turn around if the Fed merely announces a smaller than expected rate hike accompanied by a dovish statement. A return of 11% and a minor increase to $0.00000012009 would result from that. The short-term rally would stop there because the red falling trend line is upper limits. You can see the 55-day simple moving average and the historic pivotal level, both of which are set at $0.000001209. Important details regarding the upcoming Shiba Inu Layer 2 protocol have been disclosed by Shibarium Developer Unification. These include details around XFUND and a Shiba swap bonus. The Unification Foundation has announced that preparations for the forthcoming protocol's fourth alpha and public test nets are continuing apace. Plans for these test nets, scheduled for the end of September or maybe soon after, are also reaffirmed in the release. Final X-Money claims are due soon, and Unification wants everyone to remember that. With the latest X fund minting on August 22nd, the Unification Foundation imposed a maximum claiming term of 1 month, which ended on September 22nd, 2022. Any unclaimed X fund tokens will be burned by the smart contract after this date. According to Unification, the ultimate quantity may fall short of the 10,000 units originally planned. At present, there were 9,888 available. You have till the new year to claim some X funds from the Shiba Swap bonus. Unclaimed tokens from the Shiba Swap and X Fund yield portals will be available for withdrawal until early 2023, according to the release, even if the smart contract will burn leftover X funds. The X funds will be transferred to the Unification Community Fund once a proposed governance is decided upon. People who help with the network's development, innovation, and other initiatives will be rewarded with tokens, in order to ensure that the network is prepared for all participants. Upon official launch, the initial public beta testnet will mainly target developers and delegators. Additionally, the announcement states that the mainnet launch will be secure because to the impending public beta, which will repair flaws and open test the system. In addition, validators that are interested can join the beta before the mainnet launch. In addition, the notification ensures that the Ethereum merging will be supported. Unification will back ETH2 and the previous split because it thinks that's what's best for the industry as a whole. Please know that we are committed to maintaining support for both the original fork and the new ETH2 network. As a whole, the blockchain community benefits from having top-notch tools available across all platforms, and Unification aims to back any and all decentralization efforts. The network has formally decided to halt the minting of BONE in accordance with a previous community consensus. The Shibarium protocol's official gas, BONE, has already reached 230 million, the decided upon maximum for BONE growing. To provide Shibarium validator access to the last 20 million BONE, the community agreed in June to halt minting at 230 million, the maximum overall supply. Standard protocol operations require a minimum of 20 million bones. Additionally, Shiba Inu has dropped hints that they will be releasing multiple tokens, such as Treat and Shy. Treat will serve solely as a reward token, in contrast to Shi, which will be the official stablecoin of the ecosystem. Shiba Eternity, the ship's collectible card game, will most likely have its final round of testing in Australia, according to Satoshi Kusama. At SHIB, Alexander Kusama revealed this in response to a question posed by a well-known member of the SHIB community. As of September 17, 2022, the Shiba Eternity game was available on the Apple App Store, after having debuted in Australia previously. Users from Australia were given the same opportunity as users from Vietnam to be among the first to test and report bugs in the Shiba Eternity game. It was a smashing success in Vietnam. In response to unexpectedly overwhelming demand, the Shiba team reportedly had to increase the capacity of the game server by a factor of 50. In response to customers' requests for a country-specific premiere test of the SHIB CCG, Kusama mentioned that download day is probably going to be the next event. The Turkish community is anticipating the Shiba Eternity, remarked one Turkish user who made a request. How long till we can get our hands on the game via the App Store? Shortly, Kusama said. Next, he mentioned that everybody in the globe would be able to download the game, not limited to a select group of countries. It is his belief that the Shiba team's goal is to demonstrate to the Shadow Cats just how formidable Shiba is. On the day of download, he wants the game to smash the App Store's download records, he said. The head developer of Shiba Inu also dropped hints that ship burns could be a possibility in the game, saying that additional information about this would be available in a subsequent update before the download. Many talks will be placed before the download day, and Kusama added that Shiba Eternity is more than just a game. Upon launch, the Shiba team hopes to increase the game's popularity. Attendees at Gamescom, the largest video game trade expo in the world, had a first look at the Shiba Eternity demo last month. According to consultant William Volk, business owners can already take leash payments thanks to the announcement made by Now Payments, a crypto payment gateway. The fact that they can convert their leash to fiat on the platform is even more crucial. One of the native tokens in the Shiba Inu ecosystem is leash. We are finished for the day. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up.